During this webinar, we will go through different topics, starting with an introduction, followed by benefits of patient engagement and challenges of patient engagement, and finally, how can we improve the collaboration between industry and patient?
Because one shouldn't just involve patients informally and haphazardly here and there every now and then. There should be a clear strategy for regular patient engagement and carefully structured interaction so that everyone is clear on what is expected, everyone gets a chance to contribute equally, and everyone feels that their voices have been heard as part of a really collaborative process. As you can see from this excellent roadmap, patient engagement can start from the very beginning when patients can be involved in helping to set the actual research priorities and the research questions. Engagement can continue through the research, design, and planning stages, through the research conduct and operation stages. And finally, patients can be engaged in regulatory affairs, health technology assessment, HTA, and post-marketing activities.
Very happy to be here and share my perspectives from a patient view. And Katie had mentioned already a few examples for patient engagement, and I wanted to build on these examples and share my experiences, which I had so far with patient engagement. So for instance, I participated in a natural history study, and for that I flew once a year to London, and different assessments were made, different data was collected, and this was really exciting for me to see how that is being done, what for data are being collected, and then actually also that this natural history study was published and also used as a control arm for clinical trials, or for one clinical trial. In the end, we are really the only ones who have this unique perspectives from real life experiences. We are the ones who daily live with the disease. We're the ones who know the challenges and the barriers and what is most important to us, which risk benefits are important to us.
We have made operational changes in 100% of the clinical trials that got patient input. That means that it's a one-on-one. You get patient input, the quality of the patient input is so high that you have to make a change in your plan. There is a need for more people like you, Nadine and Kathy, to say, okay, I'm going to step up. I'm going to become somebody who represents people who live with a condition like mine. I will, or people who live with a condition that I can be their advocate, because we will need more expertise, people who are involved in R&D, people who say, okay, I'm going to be specialized. There are many trainings like European Patient Academy for Therapeutic Innovation, and the more that payers want input from patients, and the more that the industry, but there's many companies want input, well, the more you will be working everywhere, and there is only 24 hours in a day, so basically we need more experts.
So we should really focus on what matters most to the patients and actually listen to them. What are their experiences? What are their preferences, their perspectives? And it is important that this collaboration is also transparent, and more importantly, that it's also at the same eye level, so that we really consider patients as equivalent collaborators.
Coming from working for the patient, we are progressively arriving to a working with patient. But as you said, Daniel, it's a long process. There are still many things to be done, but at least progress are there, and it's an ongoing, I will say, exercise and story. Of course, we have seen also that there are some barriers to overcome, improvement to be done, but everybody in this room is confident that we are in the right direction. And with that, I would like to wish you all a great evening, or for the US person, a great day. Thank you so much for your participation.